Alright you guys, so in Costco, don't forget $39.99. We have the warming tray, family size. Right here, keep everything nice and warm for you. I'm hoping this, I kind of do hope it goes on a discount. But next to me, we have never over or undercook your food, and it comes with the phone app. It's gonna be 100. Okay, look at this one. This is a 15-foot. I've never seen a 15-foot one here in Costco, but it's 1,500.
We should put that in our living room.
That would touch our ceiling.
No, we could still put an angel on it. It's still fit.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't know, but that is pretty cool. Okay, look at this guy. I don't remember seeing this one. Not that I'm aware of, but he is $52.99 on the greeter.
Somebody trashed this.
Children. Yes, I'm sorry. I have children, but like, if you guys notice in stores now, parents just let their kids do anything. Anyway, okay, the wooden trees right now are $25. They do end November 5th, so it'll be ending in a week, which is so crazy. Your limit will be 5. Here is some new candy. Chocolate covered cherry bonbon, $15, with wild cherries coated with soft chocolate filling, dark chocolate, and a thin layer of sugar. They are gluten free. Oh, let me see if I can fix the back for you. There we go. They also have the Party Box, a wireless speaker, and a mic bundle. Here it is by JBL. This one's going to be $400 just because, you know, JBL is a good brand. But they have this in the kid department, like a cheap karaoke machine where all the toys are. So it's kind of funny they have this expensive one here. Okay, the dumbbell set is out. Let's see, $300. Let me pan out. Can I pan out real quick before people come? I could do it. Normally they bring this out during like New Year, so it is out pretty early. You know, it is cheaper to work out at the community college than actual gym membership. Just letting you know that. And here is the spa right here. A lot of people do buy this a lot every time I'm here in Costco. It's not the spa, it's the ice plunge, the ice bath. But people buy the spa one too. But it's pretty cool. You know, the cold water is supposed to be really, really good for you. Dolce Vita motor boot. Okay, they have like 2 pair to choose from. $29.99. And they also have the black boot. Oops, sorry. And $1,600. The Go-Kart Pro 2. Okay. Okay, the Lucky Boot Socks. These are actually cute. They're $7 right now, $6.99. These do have a dark gray one too, which is perfect because I do need some. $7 ends on the 17th. Okay, we have the Jack Daniel's single barrel variety pack, $68.99, which I do believe I did share before. So we have, yeah, quite a bit. 3 to choose from. Rye Select, barrel proof. Okay, $230 right here in the Costco. $230. Okay, double cask right here. Highland single malt Scotch whiskey. This one's gonna be $69.89. So this location has a few new alcohol compared to different locations that I've been in. This is just the big one that comes. Does this one come with the tin? I'm not too sure. Yeah, they give tin. $35, so $34.89. Caribbean cask right here. This one is 78. And then we're gonna get into you know, the Patron like little gift sets we've seen. This multi-pack is gonna be $40. 40. And the larger ones are $89 and $99. And then you get 2 glasses with them. And then Don Julio over here is $157. Go. We got the big Grey Goose right here. It comes with a pitcher. You know, a pitcher. And the stir. $42.89. And $2,000 right here. Right here.
Cognac.
It looks like. No, this one.
That's cognac.
And then the wood, this one. There's like mirrors everywhere. I feel like the camera's doing a glitching thing.
That's a whiskey there. $1,500.
$1,500. $51.99. The Remy Martin cognac. Fine champagne from France. France, $51.99. $20 right here. We have the Rubbermaid Power Scrubber. And next to me is $49.99. So dropped down in price. $21.99. $8 off was $30. Look, $21.99.
Oh yeah.
Ends 11/17. Yeah, that's right,
I
bro.
like how bright that is.
Then we can look at all the coyotes or all the funny creatures I don't want to see in the forest. I don't look at guys. I don't like to turn the light when I'm in the forest, so I don't want to know. $59.99 on this one. $59.99 corduroy quilt set, 3-piece king. Oh, that's very nice. I do like the red and blue. Okay, this one is new, $18, extra large mat. Oh, and these are long ones. Okay, the kitchen runner. Hey, these are only $2.97. No way. On the summer, they're summer printed, but I mean, who cares? You can use it for springtime. Because pretty soon they're gonna bust out spring stuff. $2.97. And if you're doing like an adult Easter basket, if you have the $2.97 in your Costco, you could do that in the Easter basket for an adult. $20 here, the knife set. And then you get knife and scraper set. Okay, look at, you get the scraper, babe. Scrape up your veggies from the board.
There you go.
For $20.
We need good knives.
5-piece serving set right here is $20.
These kind of look like Dexter's knives. That's all one piece.
Oh. $39.99. Look at this one with griddle and warming tray. What? Look at, you pull it out, warm your little potatoes or whatever. You know, that's kind of cool. $40 here. Non-stick. Here we go. This could be one to use for the season. But I mean, I just cover everything with foil or whatever. If they want to wait forever to eat, that's their problem. And $150 right here in the Costco. I don't think I've seen this fancy one. Have you?
Mm-mm.
Not in any other one. $4.99. We have the dragon fruit blend. Ends on the 17th. If you're wanting a Chobani, like drinks on the go, they're 10. They end November 3rd. The cheese is a good deal, you know. You get like 36 in here. They're $10. Ends on the 3rd too. Oh, look, they brought out the Spanish
have
ham. It is going to be $100. Who has tried it? I want to try a sample.
I know it comes with the stand, knife, everything.
They do have the duck, a roasted half duck, $18.99. Do you guys like duck? My kids like duck. I cannot eat it. My husband and children eat duck, crawfish, just things I cannot eat. I just sit there. Alright, you guys, this might do it for Costco. I don't see anything too new. Nothing new in like beauty. I mean, we still had the makeup brushes. They are $28.99. But I don't see like new beauty products out right now. $11.99 right here. This one ends on the 24th, so you do have some time. Your limit will be 5. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.